We're going to talk now about adding a state-of-the-art snippet. I personally like to have a number of tabs open with my sources of information. So in this particular case I'm going to add a snippet about the Hydro Bionet project. So I go down to Hydro Bionets, select that, and then open in a new tab the project website and the Cordis website, both of which are extremely useful sources of information relating to the project. I should add, if the project website, in fact no website information is included with the project you're looking at, go to the edit and go down and actually add that information in these fields here. You can add as many URLs as you like, and it's extremely helpful to everybody if you keep this up to date with websites that you find. And to save the changes, remember you must always just hit the save box, which is in the bottom left hand corner, and you will always see a green banner at the top if the save has correctly happened. Once we've read and digested all the project information, we're ready to create some snippets. I'm going to create a state-of-the-art snippet here, which I do by add content and then select state-of-the-art snippet under add content, and a create state-of-the-art snippet menu appears. You could sit and watch how slowly I actually type, but instead I'm going to edit the content of a snippet that I have already entered, because this will go a little faster. So for the title, notice there's an asterisk. This is compulsory, and I always choose a title that has some sort of self-evident meaning relating to the snippet. The project source, this is a drop-down menu. In this case it's from Hydro Bionets, so we select Hydro Bionets. Underneath each entry there's often some information about the intention of the little bit of metadata above, so you may find some of this useful. The web reference, in this case it was a project website. I like to use a title which is in plain English that you can see, and then the URL with the HTTP bit that's hidden, but the browser can see it when you click on the link. The body, I always, as far as I can, cut and paste from the data and perhaps edit a little bit to make it make sense in the abbreviated context of the body. Now the rationale is probably the most important but difficult bit here, because this is your personal view on why you've selected the items that you have. So this both applies to the body of the snippet and the tags that you select below. So in this case we've got 3 dimensions: encodec, domain and infrastructure, and you need to tick all the boxes that actually apply, because this is the metadata that's actually adding value to this whole collaborative data collection exercise. You can add additional files as well. Here I've added a flyer which was a separate PDF, and then right down at the bottom, most important of all, is the save button, and nothing that you have done is saved until you press this button. Oh, and one last thing, I've only allowed you to save PDF files and text files. This is because both these file types are actually quite safe and cannot carry any viruses or any other malicious software. For this reason, document files, doc and docx files, are not allowed on the server. And once you press save, that's it. You've created a snippet, in this case a state-of-the-art snippet.